Hi everyone, it's Cain here. Welcome to my video. Just gonna give you guys a tour of my truck. So let's get to it. Alright, we'll start from the front, work our way to the back. So I keep some dry foods down here. Some tissues, so when I'm sitting down I could just grab a tissue back here. I got a little tray to eat on. I got some protein bars right here. These are my favorite protein bars. No cow. Socks are underneath, spare socks. I keep my cologne on this side. Cool Water's my cologne. Got a pill crusher. My favorite movies. My blender back here, my little portable fan, got a hammock, dry foods in here, got this little trash can recently at AutoZone. It's kind of cheap, but it does the job. I keep my phone in here a lot. I have my beanie in here, my gloves, and my beanie. I have these thick socks for when it gets cold. They're called heat holders. They're kind of like diabetic socks. They're good at keeping your feet warm. And obviously bags for fishing or just gathering up my trash that accumulates. That's my gym bottle. This is where you guys go. This is where I set you guys when I'm making most of my videos. So, got my fridge. Holds a lot of food, as you can see. I don't know where to put my shoes, so I just keep them on top of my Yeti. Bread goes back here. This is my favorite bread. Dave's Killer Bread, 21 whole grains. I have a towel back there too that's holding the fridge so it doesn't ruin the seats. All right, that's pretty much it. Yeah, I have a little blender here for protein and some spinach, and mainly for protein and spinach, just not meant to like grind harder stuff. My soap. Folder here for insurance, my documents and such. All right. Oh, my fishing bag. Keep my fishing bag back there, and a few other stuff. All right, passenger side. Keep my goldfishes right here. Spare underwear. This is my Yeti. I have ice in here with my drinks and a few other products. Holds food for a couple days, so works pretty nice. Haven't had any issues with it. This is my battery, which powers my fridge. It's a Let me just show you. It's a Yeti. Yeah, Yeti 400 lithium. Let's see, what else? Yeah, some stuff in there. I keep my wallet in here. My wallet's on top. And bags. Could never have too many bags. What else can I show you? Yeah, my hot chocolate mug, spare socks, swim trunks. Back here, I got like the coolest swim trunks. That's pretty much it. I have my tools down there. My tools, I got a hatchet I've got, for when it snows, I have this thing to clean off the snow and the ice. I don't know if you guys can see, but I keep my little rice cooker down there. I'll show you guys in future videos how to make pasta, rice. You can even hard boil some eggs in that thing. More tools over there. This is a medical bag. You should always keep one of these in your cars, trucks, vans. Never know when you'll need it. These are my pots and pans for cooking. That's the top of it. I keep other camera stuff in here. It's my oil. More bags. I have a little Bluetooth speaker back there for when I'm jamming some tunes or listening to some podcasts. Okay. I think that's pretty much it to show you. My little artifacts. All right. Let's head to the bedroom now. So this is the main part of the tour. Midnight tent so no one can see through. All right, so what I got here is a twin size bed, 0 degree sleeping bag. Got my fishing chair, heated blanket, my stove. Got a little battery powered fan back here. What's cool about this fan is, I have it on this, I drilled a little hole with a knife and got these magnets at the Home Depot, so I like to scoop it up in there. And I have some things right here so I could just hook it. And I have my fan going. I can get some better airflow in the truck. So it's also good just storing it too, so it doesn't fly all over the place, this magnet. All right, obviously a pee bottle and a drinking bottle. Gotta have those. Baton for security. I keep my hats up there. I got my curtains on the side. I got a new pillow. My grandpa let me have that pillow. That was my grandma's. I could sit up. Of where I sit up. And these bins, clothes storage, bottoms dressy nice clothes, or some jackets. The top bins just t-shirts, shorts, stuff I usually wear. And a bucket right there for shitting or washing stuff, washing my face. Haven't had a shit in it so far, so that's a good thing. But you never know, emergencies. I can use that for like washing dishes or washing my face, washing my hair if I don't feel like going to the gym. Oh, I got these reflectix holding up on magnets. The magnets are holding it so no one can see through. As you can see, the curtain really helps. That part doesn't have curtain, as you can see. But does the trick, does the job. So that's pretty much it for the video. What else do I got? I got some books on the side. This is my little lamp I use. I keep right here. Over here is my kettle for making some tea or getting some soup in. Not soup, a cup of noodles. So we got a bin. This is like my cooking bin. I have my spices in here, plastic bags, spatula, stuff like that. Yeah. Did I show you my little burner? Yeah, I showed you my little burner, I think. Fishing poles, they're being held up with magnets. I wanted to keep this as simple as possible. This is probably the best way to do it. Very simple. Didn't cost much. I think the thing that cost the most is my mattress and my sleeping bag back here. The rest was not much. Yeah, I have more fishing poles. I don't keep them all in here because they just clutter up and it's not comfortable having them all in here. So I just keep my two favorite ones. My oldest fishing pole that I had when I was a little boy, and my most recent one that I got back in 2018. Yeah, 18. So yeah, my girlfriend did that. I didn't make that a heart. For those of you who think I did. Yeah. Thank you guys for watching. Hit that bell, subscribe, leave a comment. Thank you.